Well, fortunately, that's it for my motor. As you can hear, it's definitely not sounding good. It's got a loud tick, and it's got a bit of a lower engine knock. Yeah, I decided to drive it for a couple days, and that was a bad idea. I was driving up to the ski hill here, going up the hill, and stalled out on me. Yeah, and then unfortunately, yeah, it's got noise now. It's definitely toast. I mean, I knew it was toast because the oil pump was going out on me, and yeah, finally put the nail in the coffin. So that's that. Now it's on to the engine build.